Herat Grand Mosque, Afghanistan. Grand Mosque of Herat is one of the historical monuments of Afghanistan. Herat Grand Mosque, or Herat Friday Mosque, is one of the old mosques with more than 1,400 years of history and an area of 46,760 square meters, with valuable architecture in Herat city, which was most expanded during the Timurid period. This mosque was built by Sultan Ghiyasuddin Ghori in 597 AD. He planned but failed to complete it. His body was buried under the dome, the end of the north porch of the mosque in 1202 AD. Only a small part of the Ghorian mosque remains at the southern entrance. The decorations of the Ghori period were later hidden under the decorative works of the Timurid period, which decorated the mosque according to their taste, which was recovered by architectural experts in 1964. As a result of the passage of time, a large part of the Timurid works had been lost, and a part of it was restored in the renovations that were carried out on the mosque in 1322 AD. As a result of the passage of time, a large part of the Timurid works had been lost, and a part of it was restored in the renovations that were carried out on the mosque in 1322 AD. This mosque is one of the important historical monuments in Afghanistan. This beautiful and amazing building was a temple and a place of worship for the Aryans several thousand years before Islam, in this same place, with a small wooden building that was converted into a mosque in the year 29 Hijri after the people of Herat converted to Islam. Some of the great figures of the Islamic world taught in this mosque, among them Khwaja Abdullah Ansari and Khwaja Mohammed Taqi. Herat Grand Mosque has experienced many ups and downs throughout its history. Herat Grand Mosque has seen many ups and downs throughout its history. It has been destroyed and rebuilt or restored several times during different eras. In the year 414, half of the mosque, which was mostly made of wood and painted, burned in a fire, but it was restored again with the efforts of Khwaja Mohammed Taqi and the cooperation of the people. About 2 centuries later, based on the suggestion of Sheikh al-Islam Fakhr al-Din Razi and by his father, therefore, the current building of the Jame Mosque was built on the basis of the architecture of the Timurid era, and the renovations that have taken place in it recently are in perfect harmony with the style and architecture of the Timurid era following the destruction that was. During the reign of King Muizuddin of Crete, after adding new decorations to the mosque, a monastery was also built for Sufis. 100 years later, during the reign of Shah Mirza, one of the Timurid kings, with the use of mosaic tiles and beautiful calligraphy, the porticos and walls mosques. The name of the Grand Mosque of Herat city, Khatib on the occasion of Maulvi Jame Mosque, Sahib Hibatullah Fazli, deputy preacher of the Mosque of Sheikh al-Hadith Mosque, Haji Malawi Kodadad Salih, the location of the 2nd district of Herat city. Roads leading to the Grand Mosque Gol Hut Shak, Jame Mosque North Road, Mesker Market from two directions for socks of the Old City and Darb Kosh towards the road. South of Jame Mosque, Command Road, on the side of Zranger Road, Zarga Grand Mosque of Herat City was established on a land area of 46,760 square meters, which consists of 460 domes, 130 porches, 440 for elephants, 12 pedestals for porches, for gates, for large inscriptions decorated with Quranic verses, mystical poems of mystics and great poets. 3 palaces. The pulpit is the garlands of the mosque, which are made to deliver the call to prayer, are between 17 and 36 meters. It is 7 to 10 meters high and has a diameter of 8 meters. The turquoise tile is decorated. Grand Mosque of Herat is the 5th largest mosque in the world. The name Blue Mosque has a lot of fame, and this valuable building made of clay and mud is more than. It is 1,400 years old